welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. This is my friends at Yarnspirations.com. Today we have a series for you, and it's called Jonah's Crochet Collective Motif Pattern. So Jonah was asked about his favorite stitches, and the Yarnspirations design team came up with a pattern to match his stitches that he loves. So what this is going to be is a whole series of motifs that are being put together, and you're going to notice is that the free pattern that will be available to you will have those, as well as the ordering of everything there. So this particular series is going to be filmed in sequence. So I'm going to start off with doing the edging for all of them because that matters. And then I'm going to start with motif 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when I go to start this series, it's going to take a little bit to get to the public area, and that because the rule is on YouTube is that you don't release more than one video per 24 hours. So it's going to take a bit of time before all this goes out to the general public. So if you can give me that freedom to do that, you can do that, but you can also download the pattern. So in the video description, you are going to find not only the left and the right hand of each of the videos, the link for those, you're also going to find a playlist where I'm going to start grouping things together, and I'll put them in order as what they appear in the pattern here. So I have the edging, 9 motifs, and then we'll talk about the joining and then final border for this. And so it's going to take me a bit of time to film as well. So we hope that you can enjoy this series, and I think it's a really great idea. Motif stitch samplers have my heart beating. Woo! And that's it for today. So we'll see you on your first video, and just see the video description or pinned comments. Bye-bye.